Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna assemble this office chair. This is the Sweetcrispy office chair, computer, desk chair, whatever they have all these names for it. Basically, it is an office chair. I paid a total of $55.99 from Amazon. It can handle up to 250 pounds, which is perfect for my 9-year-old son. He's getting a new chair. His other chair's all beat up, so we decided to get him a new chair, and he's getting a new desk also. Okay, there is a couple of features on there. One, I know the back does tilt, and these armrests can fold down, which is pretty cool. Sometimes you don't mind folding that down. And it's a good chair for $55.99. It's a pretty good deal. So we're gonna unbox it, and then we're gonna start putting it together. Of course, we remove everything out the box. This is the instruction manual, okay? And of course, again, that's the model number, Sweetcrispy office chair from Amazon. And make sure you go through your parts list. It even comes in with the included tool. So it does have the included tool in it, which is great. So make sure you got all your hardware. Okay. Of course, go through your parts list. Now your parts list here, just go through your parts list. Make sure everything is there. Okay. So you get your base and all that. You get your two, armrest, excuse me. You got your casters right here. 6 of them right there. Okay, 5 casters, okay, right there. Go through the parts list before you begin to assemble. This is the gas lift. Okay, it's right there. This is what's gonna hold the chair together. This is the mechanism. So we got that. So always go through your parts list. Of course, this is the seat below, and this is the what is it? The backrest. Excuse me, the backrest, and the seat is below. So we have everything. Okay, so everything is there. Always go through your package list, your part list before you start assembling. So the first thing we're gonna assemble is we're gonna assemble each of these legs to the center, like a star piece. And each of them are going to need 2 K screws. Okay, these are the 14 millimeter M6. Pretty good. And I'm going to tell you, the way they packed this, they really did a great job packing all the sub bubble wrap. Each of them with bubble wrap individually. Excellent packing. I'll give them credit for that. You know, I say like it is here. Definitely top-notch packing when they ship this chair. And of course, each screw has that blue Loctite, which is pretty cool. I like that they already put that in the screw. This is probably one of the few times that I've seen them actually put the Loctite already in the screw. And for those of you who don't know what Loctite is, it is kind of like a glue. And what it does, it prevents the screw from loosening over time. Okay? Especially when you have vibrations and things like that, the screw will tend to loosen up. So Loctite kind of prevents the loose from loosening over time. Okay, I think that's pretty cool right there when they did that. I mean, otherwise you could just buy a tube of Loctite and just put it yourself and do that. But it's already there. Pretty cool. Of course, each of them are going to need 2 screws. Make note that this is hard plastic. And of course, if you flip it this way, there is no holes here. So it only goes this way. Okay, so pretty simple on that. When you slide them in there, okay, you orient it like that, and you're going to put the screw in there. Pretty straightforward. And put the screws in there first. Okay. And you're gonna use this tool. Okay. Put that right there. And tighten it up. Whatever you do not over tighten it, because again, this piece here is hard plastic, so you don't want to run the risk of breaking that. Okay, it'll be fine. Especially with the the tread locker glue in it. Just tighten it enough where you don't get any more, you get very resistance there. Just tighten it, and there you go, okay? And then we'll finish this one. Now they're all tightened in. The next step is we're going to add the caster wheels to each of these footing, okay? Of course, this is a caster wheel. You see the little notch in there. You're going to just hold this. You're going to push it down to your head until it kind of snaps in there. There you go, okay? All they're going to do is snap in. So, remember there's a little notch right here, and that's what's going to go on through here and snap in. There you go. You see they all snapped in now. And now we're going to add this gas base to the center. Of course, there is nothing to snap it in there. That means that if you're going to move it, like in my case, you're just going to lay it down, and I guess gravity will keep it there. Okay, so you can actually remove it if you need to. Like, for example, take this to the second floor like I'm going to do because I'm in the basement. Okay, so it just rests right. It just rests right in there. So the next step is to install the armrest onto the back rest. Okay, so let me show you. This is the back rest. As you can see, this is the plastic bag. This is where where you're gonna be leaning your back. Okay, here it goes. You got two holes here, two holes on each side for the armrest. And of course, this is your armrest, and they're labeled below. One is gonna have the L for the left side. Okay, and one is gonna have R for the right side. Try to zoom in there. If you can see it. There you go. You see the R? Okay, you're gonna put that in there. And then the screws are these 4 screws here. They're the 20 millimeter I. And this instruction is gonna be, but it's 20 millimeter. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start putting that. Let me make a note. When you put this in there, make sure this. You want to line it up, okay? So let me see. I can show you here. You line it up. You have 2 plastic tabs on this. Make sure one lines up here and one lines up on that square. You put it in there. It should snug fit. Okay, and you see the holes line up. Okay, just make sure you do that. Okay. Again, you put the screws in there. You tighten it. Tighten as much as you can, but don't over tighten it. Again, there is a metal thread inside there with that, but again, you don't want to over tighten it. Just tighten it up. You see, now it's really tight there. And now we're going to do the other side. As you can see, when you put it in there, it will snug and hold it if you line up those 2 plastic tabs in there. Okay, and then you can put the screws in. So now we're going to install the seat to the backrest, okay, and the armrest. So there are 3 holes at the bottom of this armrest. Okay, as you can see. Okay, and of course, it says to face front. And you see the arrow there? So this is going to be facing front. And there are 6 of these 35 millimeter screws. They're going to go in here. Okay, let me show you. Let me line it up right there because at this point I'm running out of space here. I don't have a big workbench. And we're going to put those in. Now, to me, I found the best spot is to lay it, put it upside down, and pick a corner of the table. It works better for me. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten the last one. Okay, we don't want to over tighten it just enough. There we go. That is good. Okay, as you can see, all tightened up. And if we flip this upside down, now we have the chair, okay? So the next thing we got to do is we got to put the mechanism underneath the seat again. Of course, underneath the seat again, we're going to add this mechanism. As you can see, it says front. So there you go. You're going to line it up. Pretty simple right there. And now we're going to get the screws. Of course, let's tighten up the last screw. Okay, and that's good right there. So there you go. So now we got the mechanism installed underneath the seat. So all we got to do is put the seat inside the gas lift. And that'll be complete. So as you can see, it's complete. And basically what I had to lay it flat in the back and just line up the gas lift with the hole. That's it. Pretty simple. And also there's a couple of things you can notice here, that these arm flaps do go up. Okay, they can go up. I'll show you. So you can do that. And you can also tilt it and so on. There's a couple other things you can do. And the next thing is to ask my son to sit down and see if he likes it. So there you go. So my son likes it. Pretty cool. Pretty simple to assemble. Everything was really wrapped nicely. I give him that's a big thumbs up, because normally some places don't tend to wrap things good, and some things do get damaged. I'm gonna say every part of this, especially the metal parts that can get scratched or whatever, all 100% wrapped with bubble wrap individually, which is pretty cool. I like that. Okay, so there you go. So this installation video is done. This is the Sweetcrispy office chair. Again, paid $55.99 from Amazon. I will put the link below in the description. And there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like to watch content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.